Hey everybody, how you doing? Jim here at Sapaugh Motors. Let me show you why you should buy your lifted truck from Sapaugh Motors. Every Silverado has a striking appearance. The front end design with bold horizontal elements and chiseled hood creates a wide, aggressive stance. When you have your truck lifted at Sapaugh, the factory warranty is still in place. Each model is unmistakable, projecting the strength and capability that can only belong to Silverado. For more information on this lifted truck and all of our lifted trucks, see us at Sapaugh Motors in beautiful Herculaneum, Missouri, or visit us at sapaugh.com.
Sapaugh GM Power.